個係最新嘅車務狀況。由於南昌站信號系統故障，機場快線來往香港至博覽館及東涌線來往香港至東涌嘅車程延長10至20分鐘。東涌線及機場快線嘅列車服務會作出調整。市區預辦登機服務嘅截止時間將由航班起飛前90分鐘改為120分鐘，候車時間都可能會長啲。你可以考慮使用其他港鐵線路或其他交通工具，請於 MTR Mobile 內尋找替代路線。多謝你嘅體諒。This is a train service update. There is an additional traveling time of 15 to 20 minutes on the Ever Express between Hong Kong and Asia World Expo and Dongchong Line between Hong Kong and Dongchong because of a signaling system fault at Nanchang Station. Train service frequency on the Ever Express and Dongchong Line is being adjusted. The close-out time of in-town check-in service will be extended from 90 minutes to 120 minutes.